Q2 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 8:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast, about 90 minutes after the daily close. I wanted to bring you guys a quick update. I'm in the middle of teaching a class, but I am showing a little video for the next like 8 minutes. So I wanted to do a quick update on the market so I can keep you guys updated. If you're new here, what I do here is cover the total crypto market cap. We go over the total crypto market cap, Bitcoin dominance chart, the BITO Pro shares, Tether, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So let's get right on into it. I got to do this real quick, get in and out so that you guys can get this update. So this is what we're looking at. And right now it looks like it could have took this track where 1.924 trillion was the support. We figured it would come up to 2.009 trillion. That's what we talked about yesterday. So if we get rejected here at 2.009, that would be one thing. But if we continue on, this could propel us up to that 2.082 minimum level like I was talking about yesterday. But I could see us getting rejected here and working our way back down to 1.924 and then ultimately 1.652 on a dump. There's some catalysts that could happen tomorrow. We're going to have to watch very closely. Actually, 1.76 would be more likely in the short. I want to put it right here just in case we were to fall through real quick. So yeah, that's what you need to look for with Bitcoin dominance chart. We're bouncing around still. We're working our way up like we thought. We bounced around to use the 40.39% as support. And if we can use that as support and stay over it, right now it's like right on the verge. But if we end up using that as support on the 40.39 percentile, we'll be able to continue this pump up, and we're looking to go to 41.25%. So right now we're trying to figure out what 40.39% is. We're right there for support resistance. If we fall through 39.83, if we break above 40.79 are the next support resistance levels. The BITO Pro shares, we're trying to see if we're going to come down to the next level. And right now we could have had a reversal candle here. So right now we have 25.87 support, 27.50 resistance. I expect this to come down to 24.30. But we're going to find out tomorrow when we open the market, so watch out for that. And we were up 2.66% today. So I mean, hey, that's a green day. It's been a while. Tether, we kind of broke down a little bit. We came down to the shorter term moving averages. Right now we got 33.67 as support, 33.97 as resistance, but we're still right on the area of 33.97. So if this does hold as support, this would be just a consolidation, and then we'll move up to 34.26. So just watch that. It's a very tight moving thing right now. When the Fed comes out tomorrow, it's going to be an issue. And as we talked about this, we could trade between these two. That's why I put those in myself, so you could see the trading zone. I know we had 3,279 and 3,006, but it was actually tighter than that if we broke back up, and that's why I put those two zones. So pay attention to Ethereum. If we can get over 3,279 and get back towards 3,500, we could make a run. We did have a daily close over 3,200, so it's very interesting. A daily close over 3,200 could have been a signal of a reversal, but with how low over 3,200, it could also be a fake out here because we never came over this reversal candle yet. So if we don't break 3,279, this is a fake out, and we're going to come back down very quickly. And we could be setting up for the Fed meeting tomorrow. I'm telling you guys, pay attention to that, and I'll give you breaking news tomorrow as it comes along. And then I want to end with Bitcoin, and then I got to go. So Bitcoin, we're right at the top of the channel. We have 42,499 as support right now. We had a close over, so we're using that as support. 44,864 is resistance in this area, but we're going to have to get over 43,118 to show that this had any meaning. If we get squeezed, this was just a fake out, and then we'll just come down. So pay attention to that, be alert, and don't get caught up in a trap if in fact that's what's happening.